Well, we produced about 45,000 gallons this year, just under.
Yeah, but we buy a lot more than we produce, obviously.
That's, less than 2% of our needs. We buy from about 3,000 farmers, and otherwise wouldn't have a market for their syrup. There's only so many local stores they can sell to, and you got 5 in the same town. I mean, that store can't buy from all of them. And so they need a market, and we provide that market for them. And so by us going out and selling it nationwide or worldwide, the gentleman who's got, or the woman who's got 500 trees or 1,000 trees has a market for their syrup. It's going somewhere in the world.
There's a company in Dubai, for example, that is interested in probably buying some syrups. The original sugar house in this site was built about 1840, and my grandfather replaced it with a new building in 1941. That new building had no electricity, no running water, and a dirt floor. Yeah, there's people in these buildings working probably 6 days a week all the time. Our electric bill has been running $25,000 a month because we've got some fairly large motors we're using for making granulated maple sugar, also refrigeration units for cooling maple syrup, plus we're running 4 different bottling lines. And according to the projections from Norwich Solar, it's got potentially about a 75% reduction in power consumption over a year's time. It's probably got about a 4-year payback, 5 at the worst case scenario.
Sustainability is a big part of what we try to do. It's just inherent in the maple industry anyways, with sugaring in general. And this just kind of adds to what we are able to do. Our customer base, a lot of it is natural oriented. A lot of our products sold is organic. Our brand, Coombs Family Farms, is the #1 organic brand in the country. And so a lot of the customers there are interested in what we're doing. And, how are we being sustainable? What are our practices? And this, from a marketing side, allows us to walk the walk.